Hello everyone, it's me Chebby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get notified when to start and stop battery charging of your Android smartphone or tablet. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that, just scroll down below. Now you'll see here releases, just click on it. Now just below the assets, you will see one file here, just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded. Now just click on this open, click on install. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Now click on allow. So now you can see the low point, that is the low charge, is set to 40. So you can customize it depending upon your needs. So you can see the high point also, which you can customize by yourself. And you can see here, check every 15 minutes. So you can customize it too. So let me customize it. So now let me change this high value and let me change this check every 15 minutes also. So I will set it to 1 minute. And once you're done selecting your respective value, just click on the save. So now you can see healthy battery charging. So it's showing a notification right now. So it's working perfectly. So by using this cool application, you can easily get notified when to start and stop battery charging of your Android smartphone or tablet very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.